are some awesome activities for your next road trip. These are things that kept me busy on my last road trip. Here are some American Dolly Girl fashion style sticker book. So here we have these great stickers. And here we have these fancy clothing. These shoes are my favorite. I love them. And here are some beautiful dollies. You could pick which one you like. And they each have a different background. And these are the dollies you put the sticker on to dress up. Here are the different dollies. And this is just an example how they dressed up the dolly, and you could color it here, and you could label what you did, and they just put tea time at the cafe. So here we have a Melissa and Doug on the Go fairy tale color reveal pad, scratch out. Here we have a built-in storage. Here are the instructions, and you use a slow stick to scratch. And here, this is just an example I did for you. And when you scratch, the color comes out. This is a Melissa and Doug's on-the-go magic reveal. This is a built-in marker storage area here. And here are the markers. And when you open them, and here, when you color it, these pretty patterns come out. This pattern here we have. It's just like this flower one that we have on the float here. Yeah, so that's how you do it. My mom downloaded this from the internet. Can you spot a car from each of these automakers? So if I had saw a car driving by on the road from one of these on the list, I would exit off, and that's how you do it. And this one I have here is a car bingo, and these are just stuff, if I spot these, I just exit out, like how I found these stuff. Here are some books I took on my road trip, but you could take your favorite book or any book you like. Here are some other stuff I took. My neck pillow in case I fell asleep in the car, my stuffy, and my flashlight, and the sanitizer, and these wipes, and a mini glow stick, and the hat, and these sunglasses, my water bottle, and some snacks inside that bag. And here, I love this fan, because it's not just a fan. If I get hot, I could miss myself like this. Have fun on your next road trip. Bye!